Hello, welcome to Scott Safety's world headquarters just outside of Charlotte in Monroe, North Carolina. I'm John Dinning, the product manager for the fire service's leading SCBA, the Scott Air Pack. Behind these doors, we engineer and manufacture some of the most innovative products within the fire service. Please come in and join me to discuss another example of Scott Safety's innovative technology. Scott Safety has a long history of bringing groundbreaking technologies to the fire service market. One example is the integrated pass device, which has become a norm within the fire service. We were also the first to introduce the snap change cylinder, which enables a firefighter to change a cylinder in the fraction of the time that a traditional CGA type cylinder requires. And prior to the introduction of our 4,500 PSI cylinders, fire departments had to rely on cylinders made of steel. The reduction in weight provided by the 4,500 PSI cylinders added a level of safety that was unmatched in the fire service. I'm excited to tell you about the next revolution in cylinder technology that will help further reduce the weight and the profile of the Scott Air Pack SCBA. The introduction of the 5.5 or 5,500 PSI cylinder. Our extensive market research, along with conversations with members of the fire service, indicated that removing weight from the SCBA was a key aspect for us to focus. After reviewing all the components of the SCBA, the logical choice to reduce weight was within the cylinder. Our engineering team determined that 5,500 PSI was the optimal pressure to reduce the weight and profile of the SCBA. Another benefit is that the cylinders are in a traditional form that the fire service has already embraced, thus reducing any infrastructure costs that may be associated with bringing this technology into your department. Scott Safety has worked with leading seat and bracket manufacturers to ensure that this product will integrate well within your department. 5.5 cylinders come in 4 different sizes. A 30-minute cylinder, which represents a 15% reduction in weight and a nice small package. We have a 45-minute cylinder, which essentially gives you 600 additional liters of air in the size of a 4.5 30-minute cylinder. We have a 60-minute cylinder. With its additional weight reduction, makes it ideal for high-rise applications, and an industry first, the 75-minute cylinder, which is ideal for RIT and hazmat applications. When determining the optimal pressure for the new cylinders, we considered compressors and fill stations departments already had in use. Our research showed that most departments had compressors that were rated at 6,000 PSI or greater. This means that most departments will have the ability to fill the 5.5 cylinders without needing to purchase a new compressor. For example, the Scott Safety Revolve Air charge station has been tested and approved for use with 5.5 cylinders. We have also started conversations with other compressor and charge station manufacturers to ensure that the competitive fill stations will be approved to fill 5.5 cylinders. The 5.5 cylinders will be on display at the Fire Rescue International Show in Atlanta, Georgia, August 26th and August 27th, as well as at the World Police and Fire Games in New York City, August 26th through September 5th. We expect to have full approvals this fall and be in production this winter. For more information, please take a look at www.scottsafety.com. We thank you for your time.